Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Rupee-Ruble trade doubles in 2024. Economists and Indian business people in Russia believe this change fills the gap left by Western companies due to sanctions and stop Chinese businesses from gaining more advantage. India and Russia have greatly increased their use of rupees and rubles for trade payments in 2024, despite sanctions from the US and the EU. Russia's biggest state-run bank, Sberbank, which manages most payments for Indian exports to Russia, reported this increase. This trend is likely to grow further after PM Modi's recent visit to Moscow. Both countries aim to reach a $100 billion trade target by 2030. Sberbank has seen a rise in trust towards the rupee, with more business using rupee-dominated accounts and deposits. Since the start of the year, corporate deposits in rupees have increased 6 times, making the rupee easily convertible in Russia. Bilateral trade in 2023 to 24 is already around $65 billion, mostly Russian exports to India, primarily in energy. A joint statement from both leaders highlights areas to enhance trade, investment, and remittances, including a potential free trade agreement with the Eurasian Economic Union. Indian businessmen, especially in the metallurgical and pharmaceutical sectors, urged the government to act quickly, as China has benefited more from the sanctions. They believe Indian companies should take advantage of the new banking arrangements and the absence of Western competitors to fill the Russian market with Indian products. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which bank is responsible for handling most payments for Indian exports to Russia? Reserve Bank of India, VTB Bank, Sberbank, or ICICI Bank? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.